Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Amsha Glasso, and in today's video, we shall continue with our chapter Simple Equations of Class 7, Chapter 4. So previously in this chapter, what we saw was we spoke about variables, then we spoke about how to make an equation from a given statement, and also how to make a statement from a how to make a equation from a given statement. So today we will continue with the chapter and we'll see how do we solve these equations. Now to begin with, let's start with a simple example, this one. So now see here, we have the variable part, we have the equality sign. Okay, so we'll 3n plus 7 equals to 25. And we have another one, 2p minus 1, p minus 1 equals to 23. Now, how do we solve these equations? Now, let's understand what are the different parts in this equation. So, this is the variable. So, this can have varying values. Okay. Then we have this. This is the equality sign. Same way, we have this one also. It has a variable equality sign, and also we have this is the LHS and this is the RHS. So we already know that our LHS should be equal to RHS. Only then the solution to our equation is correct. Now let's go ahead and try to solve it. So we have 3n plus 7 equals to 25. Now, what we are going to do here is this 3n has a variable and this is just a constant. So, we can't do any operation on these two together. But we can do operation on this plus 7 and this 25. So, what we are going to do here is we are going to transpose. This is called transposing this plus 7 to the other side of the equality sign. So in that case, what we will get is, now this is plus 7. The minute it goes the other side of the equality sign, it will become minus 7. So we will have 3n on the LHS side and we'll have 25. And now that we have transposed plus 7, it will become minus 7 here. So we'll have here 25 minus 7. So now this part we can solve. So we have 25 minus 7. So we'll have, here we'll have 6 and this. Sorry, this will be 8. So we'll have 3n equals to 18. Okay. So now see here what we can do now, this part. So this part is basically what? This is 3 into n. Okay. Now if we take this 3n, the other side of the multiplication sign. So if I decide to take this the other side, it is on the LHS side, it is multiplication. So the moment it goes here, it will become divide. So this 3n we will transpose to the other side. So here we get n equals to 18 upon 3. Okay. So this we can cancel out then. So n equals to 6 here. Okay. So now we can check our answer. But before that, let's go ahead and solve the next problem. That is this one. And then we'll check for both of them. So the first step what we are going to do, we are going to transpose this minus 1 this side. So it will become what? Plus 1. 2p equals to 23 plus 1. So here we'll get what? 24. And this is 2p. This now if I transpose this side, it will be p equals to 24 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So here our value of p is 12. Okay. So now we will check for LHS and RHS. So our first equation is 3n plus 7 equals to 25 and here our n equals to 6. Then here we have 2p minus 1 equal to 24 and here our p is 12. So now we are going to substitute instead of n here we will put 6. So it will be 3 into 6 plus 7 equals to 25. So 6 threes are 18 plus 7 equals to 25. So 18 plus 7 is 25. So therefore this solution is correct. Now let's look at this one. So here we have 2. P is what? 12 minus 1 equals to 24. So this will be what? 24 minus 1. So this is 24. Here we are getting now 23 equals to 24. That means something is wrong in our problem. So let's go back and look. So this becomes 23 plus 21. This is 24. 24 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are and so. So now see here. This we have done and we got our RHS is 23. So what does it mean here? That our this here LHS is not equal to our RHS because LHS is 23 and RHS is 24. Here our LHS is equals to RHS. So like this we have to solve these equations. Now let's go ahead and take few more examples. Okay, so we'll start by solving this simple examples. Say you have now here x minus 1 equals to 0. You have to find x or you have to basically find a variable. So now here we have 0. What you are going to do? Transpose this 1 here. So x will be equal to what? 0 and this is minus 1. The other side it goes, it will become plus 1. So x will be equal to 1 in this case. Then say you have here, say another one, y plus 4 equals to minus 4. Now again same thing we have to do, we transpose this the other side. So y will be equal to minus 4. This is plus. The other side it goes, it becomes minus. So minus into minus is plus. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Sign will be minus 8. So now say you have 3L equals to 42. Here you have to find L. So now this is a multiplication form. And we know that once multiplied a number goes the other side of equality sign, it becomes what? It becomes division. So y will be equal to 42 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, ones are 1 is remaining, 3 fours are. So L here will be equal to 40. Now say here I have 20p upon 3 equals to 40. So now in this case what can I do? So first thing what we can do is, this is a division form. So if we transpose it here, it will become multiplication. So 20p equals to 40 into 3. So that will be what? So this 20p remains as it is. This is 4 3s are 12 and 0. Now this part we know. We have to take this here. It will become division. So 120 upon 2. 20. So this gets cancelled. This is, so our value for p is 6 here. Okay. Now say I have here, say I have now, okay, we have a upon 5 equals to 7 upon 5. Now how do I solve this part? So what can I do this? I can take directly here. This is in division. So if it goes here, it will become multiplication. So a will be equal to 7 into 5 upon 5. So this will be what? 7 5s are 35 upon 5. So a, since this will become 7s are. So a value over here is 7. Okay, understood? So that is how we can solve such simple examples and find the values of the variables. Now let's look at some more examples. So now look at this one. So we have what? They have given us 4 m plus 3 equals to 18. And another one is minus 2x plus 3 equals to 8. So now let's try to solve these two examples. Now see here. We have 4, we have multiplied by m plus 3 equals to 18. Now the first thing that we are going to do is open up this brackets. How do we open up this brackets? We simply multiply this 4 with m first and then with 3. So we'll get, on multiplying 4 with m, we get 4m. Then this sign remains as it is. So it will be plus, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And then we have 18. Now we transpose this 12. So 4m equals to 18. This, if you take other side, will become minus 12. So 4m equals to 18 minus 12 is 6. So m will be equal to here 6, and this we get down, so divide 4. So 2 2s are 2, 3s are. So our value of m here is 3 upon 2. It is a fraction. Now let's do this one. Now see, here there is a negative sign. So we have to be careful. But the method remains same. You multiply this 2 with x and then with 3. So here we'll get minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Now minus into plus gives us minus. And then 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. So this will be 8. Now we can solve this. So this will become this, and then we'll have 8. This will come here. So we'll have plus 6. So minus 2x equals to 8 plus 6, 15. And therefore x will be what? 15 upon 2, or minus 15 upon 2. So this is how we solve these equations. Now let's look at this one. So example 8, it says what? The sum of three numbers, 3 times a number and 11 is 32. So find the number. What it says? The sum of 3 times a number. 3 times a number is that we know. Since 3 times 3 into, and number we know it is a variable. So x. So 3x, and then they said sum, and 11 equals to 32. So now how much this will become? So what we do here? 3x equals to 32. This 11 you take the other side minus 11. So 32 minus 11, this will be equal to what? 1 and 2, 21. So 3x will be equal to 21 upon 3. 3 ones are 7. So x equals to 7. Now let's look at this. Find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. Okay, so find a number such that 1/4 of a number. So 1 upon 4 into y is 3 more than 7. So minus 7 and this is 3. So now this here will give you what? Y upon 4 minus 7 equals to 3. So this will be what? Y minus 7 4s are 28 upon 4 equals to 3. This you can take, this part you can take here. So it will become what? Multiplication. So y minus 28, 3 into 4. So y minus 28 equals to 4 3s are 12. So y equals to this, you take the other side. 12 plus 28. So that will be 28, 30, 40. So y value is 40 in this case. Now let's look at this equation. So here now they have told us there is somebody known as Raju and his father is there, Raju's father. Let's understand what they are saying. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So Raju's age is, we consider say x. So now what they are saying, that his father's age is going to be what? 3x, okay, plus it will be 3x plus it is 5. Then what they are saying, 3x is in 3 times Raju's age plus 5 more. Find Raju's age if his father is 44 years old. So his father is equal to how much? 40. So 3x plus 5 equals to 40. Now simply we take this here, 3x equals to 44 minus 5. So that will be 3x equals to 39. And then x will be equal to 39 upon 3. So 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So Raju's age is 13 years. Okay. So similarly, we can solve such equations by simply understanding the statements that are given to us. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.